Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video you will learn everything about fonts. Number 1, what are the fonts? Number 2, how to download fonts. Number 3, where to use the fonts, means which softwares to use. Number 4, how to choose the right fonts according to your design. Every topic will be detailedly covered in today's video, so without any further ado, let's get started into the video. So let's start with what is font. So basically a font is a graphical representation of a text which have its own unique style and you have to use them according to your design. There are many types of fonts, but I think personally there are main 4 types of fonts. Actually one is serif, second is sans serif, third is display, fourth is script. So here you can see the lists and types of fonts, and all the font types are mentioned along with a font name. So for an example, Mini and Pro is a serif font. There are many also serif fonts as well, like Times New Roman is also a serif font, which is a very common serif font. And there are many sans serif as well, like Poppins and many others as well. So script, for an example, you can say there are Cushion script, there are some Better Times as well, and some many other fonts as well, because there are multiples of fonts, but you have to choose them according to your design. So now we will talk about how to download fonts and where to download, and then how to use them in your design. So you have to open a browser. So for an example, here I am opening Chrome, and you have to search dafont.com, DAFONT. So here you will get maximum fonts for free, and here you have some many options like fancy, foreign look, and then techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, dingbats and holiday. But these are not so much useful because these are actually no use within a specific theme. So for an example, here we just download a font and we will show that how to apply this font in your Pixellab, and how to install them on your Pixellab. So for an example, here I am downloading the Big Dex, because Big Dex is looking something cool in terms of some text effects. So here many fonts are available like Plasto and Gammon, as you can see. So Big Dex has 413 downloads yesterday and it's 100% free. So we are downloading it and it's gonna download. So many other websites as well, like Free Font Space, and like you can search Google Fonts. So Google Fonts has the most majority fonts which are freely available, and you can download based upon your personal choice. So here you can see many types of font type space are available, and the most important part is this: you can download the entire family of fonts from Google Fonts, which is a very crazy thing. So for here we just selected Poppins, and from there you can change the styles, change the weight of the fonts, and after that you can see there are many types of versions available, light 300, bold 700, many other options. So if you want to download this font, so what you have to do, actually you have to scroll down, and there you have to see that any other download links are available or not. And if like what I'm seeing, that here is regular 400 and light, whatever the version is popping up, but we have to download the font. So for that's why we have to go to the desktop mode, because desktop mode has the all the access to download the font. So for an example, to download the font, to enable the desktop mode, you have to click on the 3 dots, and then you can see the option is visible, download family. So from there you can download the entire font family, and you can just extract, and then you have to use. So here I am showing that how you have to use. So go to your downloads and then extract the file. So here I am supposing I am using the Big Dex. So you have to just export the OTF or TTF, any of file as you want. So those 2 file formats are available to make the font. So you have to go to Pixellab, and then you have to choose some image size. So for an example, I am adding a text and changing the image size to 3840 and 2160. Then after choosing the image size, you have to type a text. So for an example, I am adding my name Vijit as a text. So yeah, from there you have to choose the font section, and there you have to add the font. So here I am in the download section, and we have to search where the font is, the Big Dex file. So here is the Big Dex OTF file, and we have just imported it and just apply it. Bas ho gaya. So there you can download this type of fonts and install them. And one power tip is for you, कोई font अगर पेड हो और आपको मन चाहे कि भाई वो font को यूज करना है, देन आप तो जुगाड़ तो जानते ही होगे, गूगल बाबा जिंदाबाद, मुझे और कोई बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर IITians, तो हम तो जुगाड़ी आदमी है ही, तो बस पता ही होगा, सब कुछ मिल ही जाएगा. तो दैट्स द पावर टिप. So if you want to download some, so you can, yes you can, they all are available. And the main thing is you have to after applying font or applying some text in Pixellab, you have to just transparent the layer and just save to gallery. So that's in today's tutorial. I hope you like the tutorial and you have learned something great from today's lecture. And further you have any doubts, so we will clear in the next doubt session, which will be held in Google Meet in the next Sunday, and there we will meet for the next time. So see ya, have a nice day.